Hello students, welcome to our class on city places. Today we will learn what we can and cannot do in different places. Pay close attention because you will have a challenge at the end. Before we start, let's go over some important rules that will help us have a great learning experience together. The first rule is be respectful. This means we should listen carefully when someone is speaking, use kind words, and take turns to share our ideas. Respecting each other helps us work as a team. The second rule is being responsible. Means completing your task on time, staying focused during the lesson, and asking for help if you don't understand something. And the last rule is participate actively. Try to answer questions and share your opinions. If we all follow these rules, we will have an enjoyable and productive class. El propósito de la clase es que los estudiantes conozcan los nombres de los lugares utilizando los verbos modales can or can't. La competencia que se va a tratar es escribir diversos tipos de textos en inglés como lengua extranjera. Y por último, realizaremos un pequeño worksheet como challenge final. Let's start with a question. What places do you know in your city? Think about the places you visit often. Maybe it's the park where you play, the library where you read, or the supermarket where you shop. These are all examples of places. Now, I want to take a moment to imagine your favorite place in your city. Why is your favorite? What can you do there? For example, my favorite place is the park because I can relax and play sports there. Keep this question in mind because later we will talk more about what you can do in these places. Now I'm going to show you a places and you will have 5 seconds to say it out loud what it's called. Let's get started. Okay, in the first picture, what place is this? Think fast. You have 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent! It's a hospital. In the second picture, what place is this? Congratulations! It's a restaurant. What is the next place? Excellent! It's a supermarket. In the next picture, what place is this? Congratulations! It's a fire station. And the last picture, what place is this? Very good. It's a park.
Now, I'm gonna give you the explanation of can and can't. Can is a modal verb used to express a variety of meanings. Primarily, it's used to indicate ability, such as when someone is able to do something. For example, I can swim means that the person is able to swim. In addition, can is often used to informally to ask for or give permission. An example of this would be, you can use my pen, or you can leave early today. On the other hand, can't is a negative form of can, created by adding the contraction not to can. It's used to express inability, meaning that someone is not able to do something. For example, I can't drive means the person doesn't have the ability to drive. Similarity, can't can express impossibility, such as in the sentence, you can't be serious, which implies that it's not possible for someone to be serious in that situation. In terms of forming questions, both can and can't are placed before the subject to create an interrogative sentence. For example, Can you swim? Or can they help us? Notice that we don't add to after can or can't. So it's incorrect to say, I can to swim. And the correct form is simple. I can swim. When you are teaching or learning this form, it's important to remember that can and can't are always followed by the base form of the verb without to. Let's continue with the practice. Now, here you have to choose the number according to sentence. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. You can pause the video to solve it carefully. Very good. That's are the answers. Very good.
Now we will try to do a small exercise alone. For it, we will enter the link that will be left in the description of the video. To solve it, you just have to click on the link and it will automatically take you to the activities. Remember to share with us the scores obtained in the comments section. Thank you!
Now it's the challenge time. It's your turn to demonstrate what you learned. Try to do this worksheet and then send to my email your score. I'm gonna check it, okay? Okay, at the last, we have the metacognitions. Here, we are gonna respond some questions. What did we learn today? How have you learned today? How we can improve it? And it was easy or difficult?